we shall study the story A Flowering Tree by A.K. Ramanujan. And in this particular story, a king has got two daughters and one son. And another old woman from a village, she got two daughters, and then she is really struggling to bring up these children, these two daughters. And the daughters, they thought what they could do, and the youngest sister told the eldest sister to bring two pitchers of water, and then said that pour the first pitcher over her while she is meditating, and she will turn into a flowering tree, and then she can pluck these flowers, and then she can sell it and earn money. And then they decided to sell these flowers in the palace. And then the daughter of the king was very much pleased to get this flower garland. Okay, and then this particular king's first daughter is married, only the second daughter is there, and the son is there. And this son of this king noticed this, and then he hidingly followed this girl, and then he did not find any flowering tree. Next morning he hid in the tree where she was meditating, and he saw everything. And then he discussed this with the minister's son, and then finally they brought a proposal for marriage to this younger sister, and they got married. 2 nights passed. These two did not talk to each other. Finally, when this younger sister, the girl who got married to the prince, asked him why he is not talking, then he says he won't talk to her unless she turn into the flowering tree, and then they can sleep on that particular flowers, and then it will be wonderful. And then finally she shows him the same thing, and there is he also carefully plucks the flower without causing any damage to the twig or to the leaf. And finally then every morning they used to throw away this withered flower out of the window, and then it has almost become a hill. And then this girl complained to the queen saying that they did not give her a flower, and she also finally found out the secret. And then one day when she was going to visit her friend, she took this prince's wife, that is this younger sister who turns into the flowering tree, and then there she nags her and makes her turn into a flowering tree. But when she told these directions, these girls were least bothered, and then they plucked the flowers without any much, like they did not pour the full pitcher of water upon her. Only some parts it did not reach the water, so she only became half tree, half human, half tree. Then they were not careful enough to pluck the flowers, and then suddenly they left her like that, and then they put the pitcher of the water and they left. Because the branches were broken, the leaves were broken, what happened was that she became half human body, like she didn't have both hands and both legs. She was like in a gutter. She was crawling, and she fell into a gutter. A cart fellow took her and brought her to the town and kept her there. And then from there she somehow managed to reach this princess elder sister's place. And then the maids thought that she is similar to the prince wife. And the meanwhile the prince is very sad that he could not find his wife, and then he became an ascetic, and he left the house and he just wandered away. Then when this particular half body, it is referred to as thing, she is referred to as thing because she doesn't have both hands and both legs. And then with the constant persuasion, the queen allowed them to take, queen in the sense the prince's eldest sister allowed the maids to take care of her, so they took care of her. And then finally one day this prince also reached that particular place. The maids told her this to the queen, and she realized that it is her brother, and then treated him royally. But he was not talking to her, even though he realized that this is his sister. He did not talk to her. And finally what happened is that she started sending these servant girls to his room so that they can seduce him. But he was not affected by anything. He did not do anything. He did not say anything. Finally they took this thing is this particular girl, this flowering tree girl. They took her and they put her in the bed. And then when he saw her, he realized that it is because she started rubbing his feet and all. He realized that this is his wife. And then he was like wondering what he could do. She told all the story. Then she told him to we can make a try. And then again 2 pitchers of water was brought, and the same procedure was done. And then she told him those broken twigs and the torn leaves he has to put together so that it will be okay for her. And he did the same, and then she again grew back into a good flowering tree, and then she grew back into her normal body. And then told these things to his elder sister, and the elder sister cried and then treated them royally and made them stay there for a long time, and then sent them to the real kingdom, their real kingdom. And their the father, the real king, queen, all were very happy to see, and they also told the story. And that younger sister who did this to her, she was thrown into hot lime in a pit. She was thrown into that, and the story ends saying that every evil thing will be finally be punished. Okay, this is the idea of the story. I hope you like the story too. Thank you.